Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable birthday party on Snapchat. Turning on this feature makes your birthday special with on filters and notifications for your friends. So let's get started on how to enable birthday party on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here you can find the birthday option. Tap on it. In the birthday section, you can find the birthday party option. Simply tap on the toggle switch right beside the birthday party option and turn it on. And this is how you can enable birthday party on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.